Hello.
Hello guys. Yeah, we want to introduce to you an online investment platform which is called
The WAZOBIA investment platform.
What do? We invest. And you can invest for as low as 10,000 naira. And you get 50% of profit on the money you invest.
I've heard of it before as WAZOBIA investment. It's really a great platform where you invest your money and get 50% of your money, 50% of your capital after 3 days and subsequently after 7 days. It's really working well. It's paying. I've tested it and it's trusted, and that's
Akwai wani investment platform da ake ce musu WAZOBIA cash investment. Suna nan very reliable. Duk wani kuɗi da ka sa ciki. Tsakanin kwana
Helping me during this season has been putting smiles on my face. It is known as WAZOBIA Investment. Go to their website.
I urge you to join the investment, especially this lockdown when things are hard. You enjoy your 50% cool without any trouble, without any stress. It's an airline you can log in. You can sign in to their website.
WAZOBIA Investment is an online platform investment. It has helped me so much in this critical time.
Good day, everyone. My name is Chijoke Ogogo. Have you heard about this largest online investment company, WAZOBIA? WAZOBIA is an investment company that has come to stay. It is 100% secured. It is legit. There is no scam.
I invested in 7 days. This platform has been very good, has been helpful to me. It has helped me.
Good day, everyone. My name is Michael Chinaps, an online WAZOBIA investor. In this ongoing mysterious pandemic, nations are shutting down, businesses are shutting down, people are getting locked up at home, but only an online business like WAZOBIA investment can still pay you and can never shut down when you need us the most.
WAZOBIA Cash is an online platform where you invest and make 50% of your investment in 7 days time.
Platform is a platform where you invest your money and get 50% of your money. And I thought it was a scam initially, but starting it, I know it is not.
Very legit, comfortable, tested and trusted. I'm a living testimony and I'm testifying to it.
Started, I was really scared on how I was going to make money. So my friend introduced me to WAZOBIA investment. I was scared at the beginning to start. When I started getting paid, I was really happy. And it's
not a beg for money. You understand? Now the business why they use their support myself is really, really helpful. For this lockdown where we did so, I go just there like this now, receive my alerts.
Everyone, my name is Jeffrey and I'm here to enlighten you guys on the #1 platform in the whole wide world that I could vouch for, WAZOBIA Investment. So this platform was designed to pay you 50% profit of the money you invest. It's a very nice platform. You will love it.
Guys, hey friends, hope you're all staying safe. This is a period we should all make money. So I think we should all be trying out the WAZOBIA investment. So you make money today with WAZOBIA investment.
Hi, good day everyone. I want to testify about the goodness of WAZOBIA investment in my life. This investment has done so well for me. I've tested it and I've seen that it's real and genuine. And it will be a bad
increase in the first 3 days. And every subsequent investment will make a 50% increase in the next 7 days. This is a wonderful platform. It has really changed the life of many people. I am a testimony.
Hello, my name is Damaris. I'm proud to say I'm an active member of WAZOBIA Investment. So far so good. It's an amazing platform. I've been into it for like a month and they're really doing a great job. So
Guys, someone saying on your screen, and I want to talk to you guys about something pretty quick, and that's the WAZOBIA cash investment. Yes guys,
real, it's working, and this is a platform that I personally use to get spare money. You know, quarantine period, everyone needs spare money. And yeah, and the best part is you can start with as low as 10,000 naira and get 50% interest in just 7 days. Yes, guys, like you put in 10,000 naira and in just 7 days you get 50% interest on top the money.
Investment.
WAZOBIA
investment.
This WAZOBIA investment na the business with the boss person bring.
Now so
WAZOBIA
Investment platform. It is a platform that will pay you 50% of your investment within 7 days. It is real. It pays. It will give you financial success.
Get your cash right into your bank account. This is no scam. This is no scam. Trust me. It's been working for me for over some weeks now.
Called WAZOBIA platform. It's a platform where you get to invest a particular amount of money and get 50% of what you invest.
During this COVID-19 lockdown, I have also been a beneficiary of this platform. It is called WAZOBIA Investment.
7 days. So it's actually a trusted and reliable platform. I thought it was all joke until I gave it a try, and since then, man, damn, I've been cashing out back to back every 7 days for the past few weeks, for the past 2.
Hello guys, I'm here to tell you more about WAZOBIA investment. This is an investment that I have given a try for the first time and is paying me. Among all the cross business investment that I have seen, this one is an
platform that is reliable, legit, and that pays. WAZOBIA Investments. WAZOBIA Investments.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Okosisi, and I'm here to talk about an online platform called WAZOBIA Investment.
I've been doing WAZOBIA for some months now, and I'll tell you, it pays. I was introduced to WAZOBIA by a friend.
You know what that for town? WAZOBIA investment. You never hear how it goes back. Guy, you dey miss.
Hello guys, I'm Stella by name. I just want to introduce guys to this platform called WAZOBIA Investment, where you can invest and get 50% of your investment.
Hey, 60,000 in 3 days time. No be small, baby. Hey, how is the bank do? How? Which amount will you start now? If you start with 20,000, in 3 days you go pay 30,000. Hey, sharp money.
You stand around and watch all the opportunities go by. They sit there, oh, I'm getting ready. Bert's getting ready. Bert's getting ready. Rick's getting ready. Oh, maybe the next one. Maybe the next one. Maybe the next one. Oh, fuck, no, I'm tired now. Maybe the next one. And there comes somebody like me. Just jumps on the fucker and eats it. Maybe the next one, Ray.